Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to fix if Playback doesn't begin shortly. Try restarting your device problem. So firstly you have to open Google Chrome browser. Okay, so in Chrome browser click on these three dots. Now go to the settings. On this window go down and then here click on advanced. Now again go down and search for use hardware acceleration when available. Now turn off it and click on relaunched. That's it, sir. If this video helps you, then you can help me by subscribing our channel. Thank you.